Alright, here we are at our 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet boat number 10 that we have for sale. These are 2018 rental boats. They're powered by a Yamaha 115 horsepower outboard motor. This one currently has about 190 hours on it. This boat is rated for 13. We've got the entire fleet that's still available listed at our website, which is www.yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat button and scroll down. You'll see a link to the 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet. You'll see the asking price listed right there. That asking price is for each unit that's remaining. You can click any of those links and it's going to take you to a page that's got all. It's going to show you exactly which ones are still available. You can see photos for each one, and of course there's going to be a link for the video tour for each one that's listed with each of those. So we try to show you the condition of them as accurately as possible. This is an extra large front porch on these. The bow area that's outside the gate. That's about 46 inches in length. Of course, these are 8.5 foot wide boats. So you've got 46 inches by 8.5. They're rated for 13, and of course we got the low maintenance vinyl flooring. You've got the plastic molded seat bases. You've got the 4 gauge. You can exit off the bow, the stern, and the port and starboard sides. There's 11 cup holders. We've got a pop-up changing room. And then of course this frame unsnaps, it swings up, and then of course you can pull the canvas out of that little holder there, and that's going to drop all the way down the floor. Very nice having a changing room on board, especially if you've got kids. It's also convenient to carry a porta potty on board, and you can stick them inside that change room. It could extend your trip out by a couple hours by saving you from having to go into the nearest marina. So we do have our driver's seat. It's got dual armrest. The driver's seat does swivel. We've got a Jensen. That's an AM/FM USB auxiliary input stereo. We've got a 12-volt power outlet right here. We've got docking lights, navigation lights, working horn on this one, as well as a functioning stereo. There's 2 speakers for that Jensen stereo. Bimini top overhead where I'm standing now, and then you'll also notice in the floor there, about the center of the frame now, that is to attach a removable lounge table. These are being sold without those tables, but SunChaser does put in the mount for those at the factory. Now there is a little bit of a tear on the bottom part of that seat, and that's about I think the first one I've seen with anything on the vinyl. You've got storage under here as well, and of course that will lock. Here's your rear entrance gate or exit gate. You've got a ski tow bar, 38-gallon fuel capacity, and that is a 5-step swim boarding ladder. We've got a little bit of a crack on this corner plate right here. It's not busted all the way yet, but it's got a little bit of a crack. The other side's in good condition. I'll show you that as well. There you are. Those are 25-inch diameter pontoons. Get 190 hours on this Yamaha. And this fleet, whatever has not been sold, will be rented again for another season after a certain date in February. So if you do want one of these, contact us. They generally don't last long. People like the later model boats. They like the vinyl flooring. And when they're sold after just 1 year rental use, as you can see, condition's pretty good, and quite a bit of savings on this from compared to a new boat. If you're just looking for an entry-level 24-foot pontoon, this is a great value for a lot of people. They're actually our fleets tend to have gotten more and more popular as the years go on, as we continue to sell them every few years. We often have people that are contacting us wanting first dibs on on a unit whenever they come up for sale. So contact us if you're interested. Do that through our website, by text, by phone, by email. If you get our voicemail, leave us a message, because we're often in areas without cell phone reception. And leave us a detailed message. We can have your questions answered whenever we return your call. Thanks again for joining us. That'll wrap things up here for 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet boat unit number 10. Thank you.